YouTube friends, welcome to the 300th vlog. And to celebrate, I'm gonna be, I'm not doing anything special, just running errands. And by the way, I just got this cool little Rode Link wireless microphone, so today is also going to be sort of a real world. I don't know why I can't say that. Today's going to be basically kind of a real world test, just to see how well this thing functions in a vlogging situation. Hello, what are you? You spying on me? Laughing at me? Why? Is it funny when I'm talking to the camera?
Yes.
Why?
Like you came up to like, I was gonna be like, who's this random guy out here?
Oh, by the way, it's the 300th episode.
So what's the milestone?
It's 300. I don't know. I'm not doing anything really. It's just.
You have to do that.
What do you mean? I don't know what I'm supposed to do. What do you do at 300?
I don't know. Look it up. We're not famous.
So I like your Uggs.
These aren't Uggs.
They're not Uggs? What are they? They match your lips.
Hey, Lisa.
Hey, Tululu. I know! I had a wedding. That sucked. I was bummed. You ate all my meat and veggies? You didn't save me any? That's messed up. My parents had yahan last night, which for those of you that don't know, is a Cambodian hot pot. One of my favorites. But I come here to the salon to use Talina's hair product. Makes my hair nice and fluffy and shiny. Add some sheen to it. Hey, Katie.
You should just shave your head.
You should shave yours.
Let's do it.
Do it. I'll shave yours.
No, I'll shave mine before you shave yours.
That would get like 1 million views on YouTube. All right, let's see what we got here. I'm gonna try and take all this decor, which is all Christmas stuff. It's a shame because this is good stuff, but I don't know, I don't have time to sell all of this. So I'm gonna take it over to Recreate in downtown Lebanon. Jandi will be thrilled to have this stuff. But I don't wanna give her the Tupperware. This is a good Tupperware. We can definitely reuse this. So I need to find a box. Yeah, it's a mess here. But the good news is that this is all staged and ready to be thrown away. I just have to get a company or someone with a big truck to load all this crap and take it. Surprisingly, it's a lot harder and a lot more expensive than I thought it would be. I have boxes here, but they're all kind of filled with trash. Here's a box. Use that one. Ah! Oof. There's another box. Oh, this is a good one. I think I might have been saving this to ship something back. What is this? Printer. A printer box. I might need this. I'm horrible with boxes. I have this problem with keeping boxes because the moment I get rid of them, that's when I need it. It never fails. We'll keep that. Here. Take that one. Let's just skip to the good parts. Oh, crap. That's a bummer. It's closed. I see a light on though. Hello? Darn it. I wasted all that time packing up that stuff for nothing. Looks like they're only open on Wednesday. Crap. This sucks. I don't know why this is such a problem to clean out this garage, but it's becoming, it's just getting really annoying. So this is the last time you're gonna see this garage until it's cleaned out, I promise.
No, I didn't. Although he thinks.
You know, this is funny. That little segment where I introduced you guys, the audio wasn't working at all, so I had to reintroduce.
What do you got going on?
Well, I don't know. I
Actually,
think the problem is there's some sort of Wi-Fi signal that's interfering
I have
with
to go pick up
my
someone.
wireless signal. But I'm here with Brock, who I just introduced, and Arissa, who I've known since she was like 14 years old.
Yeah, just like 2 years ago.
Yeah, just like 2 years ago. But they are the Neighborly. Yeah, musicians. Do you have a channel, a YouTube channel?
Yeah, the Neighborly Music.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll link that.
And a Facebook, the Neighborly.
Yeah, we're going to be doing some things together, and that's why we're meeting. Because they wanted to consult with a, I don't know what you want to call me.
Cinematographer, an artist, a mover of the camera in good ways. Yeah, this is what he's going to do. He's going to turn our 50 cents into $1 on film.
There you go.
Yeah,
I like
how it works.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Now you're on the vlog. Now you can be like, oh, let's watch Savvy's vlog today. Her daughters are really into the vlog. Oh well, they were into the Cambodian series.
They were into Cambodian vlogs.
Everybody
They
loved
really
my
liked
Cambodia series. I need to get back to Cambodia.
Can I take a picture of your shirt? Is that your shirt? Is that your brand?
Oh, that's my Snapchat.
Let me just make this happen. That's your Snapchat? That's awesome, by
Yeah,
the
you
way.
can Snapchat me.
There we go, man. Problem solved.
Thank you, guys. All right, Brock.
All right.
Take it easy, guys.
See you tomorrow.
Yep. Tonight's dinner was inspired by the Almazan Kitchen's epic chicken recipe. If you've never seen the Almazan Kitchen, he does these kind of ASMR food videos where he's cooking outdoors using natural ingredients. In his epic chicken recipe, I just thought it was an interesting way of using horseradish, and I was really intrigued. Not to mention, it's just a beautiful fall day. Perfect for cooking outside on my campfire. But instead of using chicken, I'm using pork because for some reason my store didn't have whole chicken and the pork chops are on sale. Also, I don't have wild horseradish, so I'm using, store-bought horseradish. But very curious to see how it tastes. Hopefully it's good. Anyway, fire is ready. I'm gonna pop this guy on there. Some oil. Oh man, this fire is smoky. Hopefully that's hot enough. I'm gonna toss my horseradish in there. I guess it maybe flavors the oil. Oh my gosh, so many ashes. Looks like we got a little bubbling action going on. I'm gonna toss the onion in there. Let's flip this bad boy over. Where's the caramelization, huh? My fire's not hot enough. That sucks. All right, there's our finished product. Let's have a quick taste test. Take a nice fatty piece here. Ooh. Pretty good. By the way, I cheated. I finished on the stove because my fire outside wasn't hot enough. It was going out. I didn't put enough logs on it. Anyway, it's all good. I am. Oh, sorry. I got some gifts for you. So I came here Monday. I'm like, hello.
Set up and everything.
Yeah, I had everything set up and nobody's home. I was like, oh man, but look, check this out. I don't know if you need any stuff.
Flowers, yes.
Yeah, like Christmassy stuff. I thought that,
Perfect timing.
yeah, just a bunch of random Christmas decor
Gorgeous.
and a Christmas tree. Some here, these stuff. I mean, I know this stuff is worth something there. Look at that. Look at those balls.
Ooh,
Right?
nice balls.
Yeah. So there you go. Let's take this stuff inside. Yeah, I'm really hoping you can make use of this stuff here.
Always can. Somebody out there will
Yeah, someone will.
oh,
Yeah, see, you have your Christmas stuff up already. So there we go.
yeah.
Sure thing.
Good to see you again.
Yeah, same here. I was trying to get Brian to come in with me, but he isn't even awake yet, so.
Do a restaurant tour thing.
Oh yeah, we're we're still working on it. I think we got a few other ideas, but yeah, I want to showcase some of the
Comic relief.
I want to showcase some of the local restaurants and the stuff that we like best at the restaurants. So. Alright, back home now, and I wanted to end this vlog by saying real quick that I really like the Rode Link wireless microphone. I think it adds a different dimension to the vlogs, but would love to know what you guys think. So let me know in the comments, should I keep using this or should I go back to the shotgun mic? Also, if you're really interested in how I felt about the microphone, I'm gonna do a full-on review, so definitely look for that. Link will be in the description, or I'll link it at the end of this vlog. I also wanted to say thank you for commenting and liking. Without those comments and likes, I wouldn't be as motivated to keep making these vlogs. So keep commenting, keep liking, and here's to maybe 300 more vlogs. Alright, that's it for the vlog. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.